In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create this effect. So, without further ado, let's jump right into this video. I'm gonna add an image from Insert, Picture, this PC. Now select your image, Insert. Now I'm just gonna resize this image so it looks good. And now the next step, what you have to do is to go to here, background, and I'm gonna add this background. So here I will actually want this background. So I just copy this background, I added the background here, and I'm gonna show you why. Now I'm gonna add this shape. Actually, let's create let's create actually a rounded shape. So why not a circle? I'll hold shift. And now if I go in slide, background fill, we can click on picture or texture fill out. And now you have this effect. Okay, so make sure you have this image. And now if you click on slide background fill while you are in design, here in design you have format background and you have hide background graphics, and you only have you actually paste this image inside clipboard, which is this one. Now we're gonna have this kind of highlight effect that looks pretty nice. So now what we can do is actually for this image, first for this one we can actually add some shadow, some size. Actually, let's increase the blur, which looks really nice already. And what can we do now is to actually select this image, and here we have for this image we have some options for transparency, for temperature, sorry, but also here we have transparency. So I can decrease this, but also I can decrease color saturation. So this image is actually colored and this one is not. Now if I select this and I decrease the color saturation, there's no color saturation as you can see, but in the circle we have color saturation, which I think it's a really nice effect. All right, so now, okay, and now what can we do is actually select this image, Control C, Control V, so we can copy paste, and now select gradient, and here delete this, let's go to gradient, and let's delete this one here. Let's actually add 4 corners black, sorry, white for here as well. And now here we also need white, and here also white, but just make sure now we add some transparency. So let's add some transparency here, some transparency here, and for the last one here we don't need transparency, but we 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 need holy shit. So we need actually to decrease, to drag this closer, so we have this effect. And here also make sure you type 45 degrees for 90s, but you can also, here you also have some presets. 90 degrees, 135 degrees, 0 degrees, and 180 degrees. That's how I found that was actually 45 degrees, because I know this press presets, directional presets. So pretty cool. And now for position, you can also change your position, but you can also change the position from here, which I think is much faster. So now we have this cool effect that I wanted to show you. Now, of course, you can, and now a quick trick or tip before we go. Some people ask me how to add some animation. So I'm going to show you actually right now. I'm going to show you actually two ways, and there's so many other ways, but I like this a lot. And what you can do is actually go to draw here. And let's say I would like to draw this to point what I have here, like with the arrow. And now if I go here to click and I'll select this, now this I can add some, guess what, some replay. And now you might say that's not fast. Well, you can make it fast. And now if we go here, we can actually change the duration from here. If you can't see this, just click on animation pane. And now we can click on here, and this is fast. Now another method, select what you want to animate. I'll animate this view, this light, and then I click on animation. I'm gonna click on this, click on motion paths and custom paths. And now here, I'm just click on effects options and select curve. And now I'll create this really nice curve. Enter, and look what we have here. Look what we have here now. So that's pretty cool. Control plus F5, or just F5. That's really nice. So thank you for watching this video. I really hope you found this video helpful and you learned something. And I'll see you now in the next tutorial. Take care, and yeah, have a good one.